let's talk about why compound interest can make you wealthy in life. To understand how compounding works, let's see how an initial sum increases in value as time passes. When you invest money into an investment, that initial sum goes into the future and produces a gain. This type of a gain is called a capital gain. In this next example, let's consider $10,000 being invested into an investment. For this investment, we are assuming a return rate of 10%. In this case, our initial sum is $10,000 and it grows to $11,000 by year one. That means for our $10,000 investment for 1 year, we got $1,000 worth of capital gains. This process continues into the future, and every single year, that initial $10,000 produces $1,000 of capital gains. However, since we are not taking the $1,000 out of our investment, it is compounded within the investment to generate even more gain. So let's see how that happens. At the end of our first year of investment, we received a $1,000 capital gain. Just like our initial sum of $10,000, this $1,000 worth of gain also moves into the future and produces $100 per year of gain. So now, by the end of the first year, we not only have our $10,000 producing $1,000 of gain every single year, we also have a $1,000 gain that produces $100 every single year. By the second year, the same $10,000 that we initially invested creates another $1,000 in the second year of gain. And of course, that $1,000 gain in the second year also produces a $100 gain in the third year. Now you can see that we are accounting for the $10,000 of our initial sum, and we are accounting for the $1,000 that are gained every single year. Now let's continue with this growth and also allow the $100 of gain to grow as well in the next year. The $1,000 capital gain that we made in year one not only produces a $100 gain in year two, but it also produces $100 gains in year three. The $100 gain that we got in year two not just sits there and gets to year three, but also produces a $10 gain in year three. Every single amount that we put into our investment not only grows, but its growth also grows into the future. If you understand this, you are starting to understand what compounding is all about. Based on our understanding of compounding so far, what does the growth look like if we let this run for many, many years? Einstein once described compounding as the eighth wonder of the world, and here's why. This compounding effect continues to the future. Every single year, we make some gain, which makes us a little bit more gain, which makes us a little bit more gain, which makes us a little bit more gain, and it continues into the future. This compounding effect never ends unless you completely deplete your account. This type of a growth is called an exponential growth. This is not a linear growth. This only happens if we allow the gains to stay within our investment. Once this compounding effect is underway, something magical happens if we let this run for a while. Initially, this investment required you to put money into the investment so that it could grow in the future. However, this changes over time. There comes an inflection point where your contributions no longer help this investment grow. What's helping it grow are all the tiny capital gains that have been made over the years. Beyond this inflection point, you could continue to invest into your investments, but it really would not matter all that much because the entire process has taken over on its own, and now the investment is growing on its own. So every time you make a contribution, you must think of this contribution as something that grows into the future, and its growth also grows. So if we were to actually try to calculate an actual growth rate of every single contribution, you will have to add up all compounded gains that you are going to get in your lifetime. This branching effect of capital gains only gets better and better into the future. As your account size grows, you make more and more capital gains. This is exactly why investors like Warren Buffett will never run out of money, because they continue to get richer and richer in the future. This is exactly why I focus on investments, why I keep putting money away every single month. I reinvest every single capital gain, every single dividend I get from my investments. And now you know why.
I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us.